Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, and right now we are going to learn about text formatting. This is really important because there are different type of formatting options are available, and we need to know about each and everything about the texting, because when you will develop a website or when you will design a website, you must have to use text a lot, and therefore you need to know each and every uses of text. Therefore, right now we are going to learn about the text formatting, and this is really important. Okay, so let me take some more lines in here. Okay, in line number 35, I want to take a paragraph tag, and let me write nerding bold. In line number 36, let me type nerding italic. In line number 37, let me type nerding underline. Okay, so what we got total 3 lines, and every line is along with the paragraph tag. So I hope you already got the idea what is I'm going to do right now. Yes, you are right. Bold, italic, and underline. These 3 things I'm going to apply in my text. So let me save it and let's have a look. Okay, you can see here nerding bold, nerding italic, nerding underline. And I'm going to apply these 3 effects: bold effect, italic effect, and underline effect this text. Let's do that. So for bold, you have to apply another tag, and right now we're not going to follow the same process as like before, that we're not going to apply the attributes for applying the bold effect or bold style or making the text bold. We're not going to apply the attributes. We're going to take a different tag. How you will do that? After paragraph tag, you have to type B tag. This B tag is stand for bold, and you can see here this closing tag of bold is placed in here, but I need to cut this closing tag of bold and I need to paste this closing bold tag before closing paragraph tag. So you got the sequence. What will be first? At first you will have to put the paragraph opening tag, then you have to place bold opening tag, then you have to type the element, this is our element, and then you have to put the closing tag of bold, and finally you have to put the closing tag of paragraph. Let me save it and let's have a look in our browser. So you can see here that nerding bold, this text effect is applied with the bold style. So we have to follow the same process for this 2 things. For italic, what you have to put? Yes, you are right, you have to put I tag, and you have to place this closing tag of italic before the closing tag of paragraph. Let me save it. Here is italic effect is applied to our text, and finally underline. Let me type U, and here is the closing tag of underline, and let me save it. So you can see here that underline is applied to our text. So this is very simple process for applying bold, italic, and underline in our text. And here is the tag. Remember the tag? For bold you have to apply the B tag, and for italic you only have to apply I tag, and for underline you have to use only U tag. Okay, so this is called U, that means underline, I for italic, and B for bold. Okay, fine. Now we need to learn another things, that is text alignment. Text alignment, you can see here in our browser all the text we written here, all the text placed at left side in your browser. But what you will do if you need to bring any text at the center or at right side, you can do that very easily. Let's learn about the text alignment. Okay, for text alignment you have to type a text, and therefore I'm using paragraph tag, and I'm going to write, this is my nerding right side text. Okay, and for another one I'm going to write, this is my center alignment text. Okay, so I just written the text and let me save it. Okay, so you can see here our text is placed in here, but it's not placed properly. I want to move this text at my right side in here, and I want to place this text at center. Therefore we have to use the alignment. So how you will apply the alignment, we are going to do that. Okay, you have to apply text alignment for right, and therefore you have to apply some style. So let's start with the first one for placing this line at right side. Therefore you have to declare the attributes at your opening paragraph tag. So after P and before the greater than sign, you have to press space and you need to type style, and then you have to type text align. Okay, so you can see here we got the value, and in between of colon and semicolon, let me write right, and let me save it right now, and let's have a look in output. So you can see here our output is placed in here, and the text is placed at right side. So we have to follow the same process for the last one, and I want to place this text at the center. Therefore we have to declare the attributes for this line. Okay, let me follow the same process. Style text align, and inside the colon and semicolon, let me type center, and let me save it. And now let's have a look. So you can see here the text is placed at center. So this is how you will apply the alignment for the text in HTML. Okay, the next part of text formatting is marking element. Therefore I'm going to write a paragraph tag, and let me type a dummy word like lorem. Okay, let me save it, and you can see here we got the default text in here, but I need to mark any specific area in here. How you will do that? You can do that very easily. Suppose this valid blenditis, this word you need to mark. How you will do that? Let me show you. Where you want to make the mark, in here you have to type mark tag, and you need to put the closing mark tag in here, and let me save it. And now let's take a look in our browser. So you can see here that this valid blenditis, this text is marked. So this is how you will apply the mark tag in HTML. Right now we're going to learn about the strong tag, about the subscript and a superscript. So let's learn from the beginning. So in line number 43, I want to write a paragraph tag, and let me write, this is a sample of nerding strong tag. Okay, let me save it, and let's have a preview of the output. Okay, this is a sample of nerding strong tag, but is any strong things applied to this text? Answer is no, because we didn't apply the tag properly. Therefore what we have to do, we have to apply the strong tag, and we have to follow the same process as like before. After opening paragraph tag, I have to take another tag, and let me type strong, and let me paste this closing tag in here, And now let me save it. Now you can see here the difference between before and after. Now the strong style is applied to our text. Okay, but if you need to make any specific text stronger, in that case you have to follow this simple process. Instead of placing the strong tag after the paragraph tag, you can place this strong opening tag in somewhere in the words. Let me do it from the beginning. Opening tag of paragraph. This is strong text style. So this text, this text part and or this strong text, I want to apply the strong tag in here. Therefore I am placing this strong opening tag in here, and let me paste it in here. That means only this word, this strong text word, will be highlighted. Let me save it, and you can see the difference between entire line and a specific text. So if you place this strong tag at the beginning and if you place the strong closing tag at the end, in that case the entire line will be strong. But if you want to apply the strong effect to any specific words, in that case you have to follow this process. Okay, now we are going to learn about subscript and superscript. Okay, now I'm going to take paragraph tag and let me type this is subscript. Let me save it. Let's have a preview, but nothing is applied. So for applying the subscript, we have to type after the opening paragraph tag, we have to type sub, and we need to place the closing tag in here, and let me save it. You can see here the subscript is applied to here, and now I'm going to apply the superscript. Okay, and I have to place sup, that's the tag of superscript, sup. So therefore I am placing the closing tag in here. Let me save it, and you can see here this is superscript. Okay, this is subscript and this is superscript. So this is how this subscript and superscript is applying on HTML. So I hope you already have the ideas about the use of bold, italic, underline, text alignment, then marking, then strong, as well as subscript and superscript. So all the essential text formatting that's required for HTML,